This is a story of grit, a real example from my own journey and how I conquered the North Channel. I still remember it like it was yesterday. My first Ocean 7 swim, the North Channel. The one that gave me all the fame I have today in the open water community. I had to make my mark, and I remember being nervous, like really nervous. Just one day before the swim that morning, I felt so. Honestly, I wasn't even supposed to swim that week. But God had other plans. They kept me waiting, and I got to swim on the very last day of my window. And before jumping in, I told myself one thing, just one: do the impossible, and I'll never doubt myself again. I jumped in, I started swimming, and an hour into the swim, I looked down, and there it was, a 20-foot lion's mane jellyfish right beneath me.